Welcome back to Next Car Lunch. If you think the 2027 Ford Bronco Raptor Turbo is just another expensive off-road SUV, stay with me. Because today we're looking at the costs that really matter after you buy it. Insurance, fuel, maintenance, resale value, and everyday usability could decide whether this powerful Bronco is actually worth your money. And there may be more hidden value here than you expect. Let's start with insurance, because this is one area many buyers forget when calculating the real cost of ownership. The Bronco Raptor is a high-performance, turbocharged off-road vehicle, so American buyers should expect insurance to be higher than a normal Bronco or family SUV. For a typical US buyer, a rough estimate could be around $2,000 to $3,500 per year, depending heavily on location, age, driving history, coverage, and insurance company. In areas where theft, accidents, or repair costs are higher, the number could rise even further. The good news is that Ford has a large dealer and parts network in America, which should make replacement parts and professional service easier to find than with many imported performance SUVs. Now let's talk about fuel, because this is where the Raptor's personality becomes very clear. The turbocharged performance engine is designed for power, not maximum fuel economy. Real-world mileage could be around 12 to 15 miles per gallon in mixed driving, with city driving potentially dropping toward the lower end and relaxed highway driving doing somewhat better. Your actual result will depend on traffic, tires, driving style, and how often you use the accelerator. There is no major hybrid or EV fuel-saving advantage expected here, so buyers should choose the Bronco Raptor because they want its performance and capability, not because they expect it to be the cheapest vehicle at the gas station. For someone driving long distances every day, fuel costs can become significant. But for weekend adventures, daily commuting, and occasional business use, the combination of capability and practicality can still make sense. And this is where the Raptor starts separating itself from ordinary SUVs. Around town, it feels big and aggressive, but the higher driving position gives you a commanding view of traffic. In narrow streets, parking garages, and crowded shopping areas, its size and wide body can require more attention. This is not the easiest vehicle to squeeze into a tiny parking space, but modern cameras and driver assistance features can make daily driving much easier. On the highway, the Bronco Raptor is built for confidence. Its suspension and wide stance help it remain stable, while the powerful turbocharged engine gives you strong acceleration when entering highways or passing slower traffic. It is not designed to feel like a luxury sedan, but it can deliver a comfortable and controlled experience while still being ready for rough roads. Now, if you are thinking about commercial use, remember that this is primarily a performance off-road SUV rather than a traditional work pickup. It can carry passengers, equipment, camping gear, tools, and everyday cargo, but buyers who regularly haul heavy loads may be better served by a Ford F-150. The Raptor makes more sense for a small business owner who needs one vehicle that can handle work during the week and adventure on the weekend. For maintenance, expect costs to be higher than a basic Ford SUV because of its performance engine, specialized suspension, larger tires, brakes, and off-road equipment. A reasonable long-term budget could be around $1,000 to $2,000 or more per year for routine maintenance, and wear items, depending on mileage and usage. Tires can also become a major expense if you frequently drive off-road. Pricing is another important question. Because the 2027 model is an estimate, a realistic expected US starting range could be around $60,000 to $65,000. With higher trims and options pushing the final price considerably higher. In Japan, after taxes, import costs, shipping, registration, and other expenses, an estimated market price could potentially reach roughly 10 million yen to 13 million yen. For other American export markets, pricing will vary significantly because of local taxes, duties, and dealer margins. Compared with the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, the Bronco Raptor could cost more, but it offers a more performance-focused package straight from the factory. The real value comes from getting serious off-road capability without immediately needing expensive aftermarket upgrades. Resale value should also be interesting. The Bronco name has strong recognition, and the Raptor badge gives this model additional enthusiast appeal. That could help depreciation compared with less specialized SUVs, although high fuel costs, expensive insurance, and heavy modification can affect resale. So, is the 2027 Ford Bronco Raptor Turbo a smart buy? If your priority is the lowest fuel bill, probably not. But if you want one vehicle that combines American performance, serious off-road capability, strong road presence, everyday practicality, and potential resale strength, it becomes much more interesting. What do you think about the 2027 Ford Bronco Raptor Turbo? Would you choose it over a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon or a Ford F-150 Raptor? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car updates.